POV of me putting my shoes on.
Brother, let's go.
Okay. We got introductions. So, we have Peter.
Hey, boss.
He is the he's the Beamer guy. He's the X5 guy.
That's me.
This is his much less of an equal brother.
Okay, pal.
This here is Alex, Lucas, Christian.
How big is it?
Sebastian, we already know.
Special
We already know who this guy is. Okay, am I tightening this or loosening this? What the fuck?
Are you
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
I don't know. It's a Japanese car, bro.
I know. You can't trust that. Hey guys, so this is kind of a tedious normal process, so we're gonna go ahead and just get the
Cookie? I'm gonna put it in your mouth.
Whoa.
My EpiPen. Watch your hands.
Yeah, I did wipe I need mine a bit darker.
That smells delicious. How black do you want it?
Charcoal. Why is it glowy?
What do we got?
I don't know. There's some kind of mystery thing in there. We don't know what it is.
substance.
I wouldn't call it a substance. It's more like a homologation of things. Nature. Nice.
There you go.
Attaboy.
What's the damage?
Hope none. Look at these calipers, bro.
God damn.
Dude, you cannot brake with this car. They put me in the car to get it off the trailer to get on the brakes. I step on the brakes. There's nothing.
All right. So.
Of a pedal graph function, trigonometry.
You know trig. You're
Five pedal. What is this? This will be 5 theta. Sine 5 theta.
Bro's really forcing the use math in real life part of.
So
What's up?
the math teacher was right.
What math teacher?
The math teacher.
I'm my own math teacher.
Missing. And the other is this one, but one of the sides broke off. So I'll keep it for now, but
Okay.
And then on regular,
So we got to do the other side now.
yeah, other side, and then we should be able to side.
there's Kia Soul.
Where'd my brother go?
He's under a scooter. Motorcycle thing. He's trying to push you up the hill right now.
My dream car is a BMW.
Did he take his phone?
What?
Moron took his phone.
I don't think it's right there.
Where?
On the left outside.
Oh, okay.
In the shade though. Someone overheat.
Okay, so Sebastian was insisting on showing us what he's doing over here. So
we need to keep it clean because we don't have very large of a garage. So what I'm doing is I got these little brown paper bags. And
Ziploc bags work too, but we're out of those.
They work too, but we're out of those. So I'm adding little descriptions of what are going in here, and I'm just stapling them, and then we're gonna put all the small parts into a bin this size, and all the big ones will just sit around somewhere in the garage or a shed. So
Peter over here is slaving away on the
These
car.
are the worst placed bolts I've ever. Hold on.
he's a BMW driver, by the way.
If you take a look up there, I'm trying to get, there's 2 or 3 bolts up there that are, I can't get a 10 mil to. And I'm trying to figure out how to do that. So, and I don't have small hands, and people with small hands, like over there, are just sitting on their phone, so.
I'll help in a second.
What?
I'm just doing some clash.
Oh, yeah, let me just take the bumper off.
And then you can get paid.
Have you done anything today?
No, sir.
What are you
I'm
doing
just here
now?
jerking it.
Oh man, all the ladies.
It's dry. I like that.
Yeah, he's into guys.
Oh my gosh, it was you. Let me give you a smooch. But they're still.
He right. Shut it in.
Shut it in.
Jinxie before Jinxie.
And then that was also when I was using my mic on mixer too, so they heard me. I don't know if they heard you guys. They heard me.
Rock on.
No, you got it. Figure out a way
I probably did get
So you're a biker now, hey?
Yeah,
Nice.
it's my beauty.
Oh yeah. What CCs is it?
Like 5,000.
Oh man, nice. How much you pay for it?
Like 250.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
250K?
No, 250,000.
Yeah. Nice. Good stuff.
Like we
Damn, you hit the gym.
Bro, imagine if Adrian had the camera on.
This
Damn.
thing weighs about like 350.
350?
Yeah, he could deadlift like 400.
No, that was not.
405. His bench.
Why is he so tall?
This is a
Look at him.
draft.
Wait, what?
Bro, I'm like 6'1".
No.
It's not that tall.
The night Christian went.
Yeah, but I don't know.
Stop the
I don't
cat.
know if he was drunk or actually drunk. You can't tell.
I was playing into it. Hey, don't include this part.
They were not for college purposes. They have never drank in their life.
Hey, don't
I have.
include this part.
In Poland, where it's
Of course.
Oh, yeah.
When
Yeah, it's
he was
legal.
16 in Poland.
It's legal in Poland.
How old?
18.
18.
We're in Poland right now. 100%.
Yeah, Poland.
Blow out your address. It don't pull up.
Actually, Night Ride's just down the road. Actually.
Oh yeah, let me go see. Let me go to Bogey. Let me go to.
And I tried to.
All right, now do the other one.
No.
Got this feeling inside that I can't put aside because I want you. Although I thought I was fine when I left you behind, I know I loved you. I got this feeling inside that I can't put aside because I want you. Although I thought I was fine when I left you behind, I know I loved you. Got this feeling inside that I can't put aside because I want you. Although I thought I was fine when I left you behind, I know I love you. I got this feeling inside that I can't put aside because I want you.
We have a little bit of motion. We got all our known bolts off. Now we have some, I guess, clips left, and I think we're gonna be coming off with this bumper.
Sounds good.
I mean, we have Dad John there. Big screw.
Lucas used the tool for the first time in his life.
Got this feeling inside that I can't put aside because I want you.
Christian here wants to speak about anabolic window.
You have to first eat, and then you go hit the weight room because the anabolic window.
So what are we doing right now?
We're working on the car.
Well, yeah, we're working on the car, and then what are we
Then we
doing?
gotta eat, and then we gotta hit the bench PR for anabolic window.
Yeah.
I'm bigger than you, tough guy.
Wait, Kuba?
goes down into these.
Okay,
We gotta have an eating montage.
You have your fan.
we will. Just for you though, just you eating.
So got it. Yeah.
Guys, if you like to piss outside, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button also. Because outside pissers, it's just better.
This lighting is immaculate.
It's just
I know. Wait, hold on.
beautiful.
Let me get from here. Pissing outside.
This is the average piss outsider.
What?
You mean piss outside? You mean outside pisser?
This guy didn't wash his hands with soap.
And they're gone. And you doing?
No.
Don't break your glasses.
I don't tap.
You're tapping?
No.
You don't tap?
I tap. He's sagging.
Okay, taps.
He's sagging.
What's sagging spelled?
Back it up.
I don't take
He's like Khabib. I don't tap.
Feeling inside that I can't put aside because I want you. Although I thought I was fine when I left you behind, I know I loved you.
Because I don't go outside.
Hi, Peter. Peter, let me work on the car.
I want to see like
Did all this plastic break off?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, so,
There used to be plastic there?
yeah, it's all broken.
I want to see. What do we need to disconnect for this?
I think most of it's gonna be from the top side.
Probably.
It's top side.
Yeah.
We kind of had in the time lapse, maybe you guys saw it, but OEM air filters. 31-year-old car. It's a 1993, 47,000 miles. 47. What is that? 690, 890.
In the heat of the summer night.